So we can prepare a mind map using the available blank templates or local examples with some added features. So it helps you to save your time effectively because it's already inbuilt and only we only need to do some changes like formatting or just changing the topic name, that's all. So we can choose whichever is best for us. Now let's see how we can change or make a small mind map using the available blank template. Double click on it and here comes the main idea. Let's start with a simple theme, that is weekly plan. Now we can add the days. There is a tab icon here, plus sign here. Click on it. You can add Monday, again Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now if we want to add the activities for this week, we can add the sub themes, subtopics here on Monday, which all things we can arrange our activities like priority, then again we want to add urgent or important. Priority comes under urgent and then important. Then you can also add others, which is not much important. Other. Likewise, we can add each. Now we can use the call out option here. You can write anything, any message you want to give that can be added here. Then you can set boundary line for it, change the boundary, then add clip art from your system. You can add picture from your system. It can be hyperlinked. You can hyperlink it or attach it, comment on it, note on it, tag it. So there are so many options provided here to format your mind map in a more beautiful way. Now let's see some of the simple features. We can change the color of your topic by clicking on the formatting menu here. See, the background color can be changed. The background of the theme can be changed. Now you can change this color by changing here. Image position can be changed. Branching pattern can be changed here. It may be like this or like this, whichever we can choose from this menu. Now we can use different shadow effects to make it more beautiful. So let us experiment ourselves with all these features and do make it effective for your e-content making. Now we can save our file in different file formats. The options can be seen in File, Save. We can save it as a folder in the computer or personal cloud, team cloud, Google Drive or Dropbox. Other option is to print it directly and export it as graphics, means It may be available on any computer as image, BMP, JPEG, PNG, GIF formats. Then in the Office format, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, we can convert it into HTML, SVG format, Mind Manager format, and Evernote format. So, hope you have understood the basics of Mind Master application. Please do experiment and explore the features thoroughly and prepare a good, beautiful, creative mind map of your own.